Hey G Squad, welcome back to another of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a power strip. And we see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Anker. And for this one's under the 6 series, and they do mention how it does have the GanPrime technology. And we see in the bottom right here, they do call it a 615 USB power strip, and the total power on here is 65 watts when you guys do use it. But right here, we see this is basically what the bot looks like. In the very bottom, and we see they do probably got some specs and features on here. So they mention how it does have a Power IQ 3.0. It has 2 USB-C option, 1 USB-A, and 2 AC option. And the length of the cable is 3 feet. And when you guys turn to the back, they do probably got some more specs about the pod as well. So they do mention how the product does have an Active Shield 2.0 technology. And having that technology is actually really useful. So that way if you guys do charge stuff overnight, it definitely has that protection on here. And because the product uses like a GanPrime technology, it allows the product to be really small, if you can see right here. So this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, it does say GanPrime. But when you guys open this part right here, that is basically what the product looks like inside. If you see, it's actually very small. Let's take everything out first. So the first thing inside right here, if you see, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But right here, you see we do have the actual product. If you can see, the size of the product is actually very small. So if you guys want to bring it along when you guys are traveling, this will work really well. This is probably one of the smallest power strips that I've ever seen or owned. But in front right here, you see we do have the brand logo. Right here, we do have the USB option. And right here, we do have 2 USB-C option. And right here, we do have the plug outlet. And right here, we do have the plug. So if I do unplug it, you basically have one AC outlet right here. And you guys have the other one on the other side. So if I do peel this part out, here's basically what the other side looks like. So you see right here, they do mention how it does have the GanPrime technology. But right here, we do have the AC outlet. And then for the side of the part right here, if you guys do open up, they basically have this hidden compartment right here for you guys to actually fold up the cable to keep it all organized. So we have to untangle it. Here's basically how long the cable is. Like I mentioned, it's 3 feet long. But once you guys are done using it, you have to wrap it back together. And it pushes part back down. So just like that. So you see the pod is actually very compact and very minimal when you guys do get it. And if you guys care about the input and output specs, they do probably got that information inside right underneath this cable right here. But let's plug this in to test it out to show you guys what actually works first. So basically we'll untangle the cable. And we'll plug this into the outlet. Once you guys do plug it in, you can start using it. So the first thing that we'll plug in is this power bank that we do have right here. That also works as a wall charger. And this is the Anker Power Core Fusion 10,000. That basically give you guys a USB-C option and a USB option. So if you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work and it is charging. Now try the other outlet as well. So for the other AC outlet, we'll plug in this charger that also works as a wall charger and a power bank. That's also from the same exact brand, Anker. And this is one of the newest power bank that has a GanPrime technology as well. And they call it Anker 733. And with this one, you can see they do give you guys 2 USB-C option and 1 USB option. And the max power on here is 65 watts. Where for the other one that I just showed you guys, that was 20 watts. But right here we do have the wall plug. So let's do open up. Let's plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it is charging as well. So you're currently charging both of our power bank that we do have. Now let's try the other 3 outlet as well. So right here I do have my USB-C to lightning cable. If you guys do plug it in, other side will plug it onto our phone. Alright, so you can see that works. The next one that we'll plug in is a USB to USB-C cable. And we'll plug it into my earbuds. So once you guys plug that in, that works as well. And then for the last outlet is a USB-C outlet. So I do plug this cable right here, which is also from the Anker brand. This one is a USB-C to USB-C cable. But if you guys plug it in right here, you can see it does work. So definitely allow you guys to charge all 5 devices at the same time if you guys want to. And obviously in order for you to get the fastest charging speed on here, your percentage on your device need to be pretty low. Basically the lower it is, the faster it can charge. But once it reaches like 80% or anything higher than that, it will slow down the charge. But you can see when you guys do use the product, it definitely does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality power strip that's super compact and portable that give you guys the same outlet that's on here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one, and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.